Not long ago, Chinese cars were seen as cheap and basic, but fast forward to today, they're leading in electric innovation, smart features, and affordability. So how did this happen? Let's rewind. In the early 2000s, Chinese automakers were focused on economy cars, learning from global giants. Brands like Geely, Chery, and BYD started small, but by the 2010s, China made a major shift toward electric vehicles. The Chinese government backed EVs hard, offering massive subsidies, building charging networks, and funding tech development. That support helped launch new brands like NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto, who focused entirely on EVs and smart cars. Now, Chinese automakers are global players, and they're not just catching up to Tesla, they're challenging it. Tech showdown, battery innovation. Tesla uses lithium-ion. BYD's Blade battery is safer, cheaper, and lasts longer. Charging versus swapping. Tesla builds superchargers. NIO, they swap your battery in 5 minutes. No charging needed. Self-driving. Tesla has autopilot and FSD beta. XPeng system can navigate traffic lights, city streets, and even park itself with less input. Interior design. Tesla is sleek and minimal. Chinese EVs, full luxury mode, panoramic screens, massage seats, ambient lights, and even built-in AI voice assistants. Affordability? You can get a feature-rich from BYD or XPeng for 10 to 30% less than a Tesla Model 3, sometimes with more tech included. Key players today. BYD, the biggest maker in China, already outselling Tesla globally in total EVs. NIO, known for premium design and battery swapping. XPeng, smartest self-driving features in China. Li Auto, perfect for long-distance travel with hybrid electric tech. Geely, owns Volvo, Polestar, and Lotus. Quietly global. Honky, luxury brand, building electric sedans with Rolls-Royce vibes. From underdogs to innovators, Chinese automakers have rewritten the rules, and with Tesla feeling the heat, the F-race just got way more interesting. Would you make the switch?